i35equipment.com. Today we're checking out stock number MT1440. It is a 14x40 manual thumb. Fits a variety of mid-size excavators as well as large backhoe loaders. It is a universal weld-on-plate design, so just need to make sure you got width on your stick for that weld-on plate right there. Should not be a problem. Also, it has two tines, also known as fingers. They are serrated for better grabbing. A rigid post here that can be changed with your pinhole to move the thumb closer to your bucket if you're grabbing smaller things more often, or further away for bigger things or less often. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video is beneficial to you. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of thumbs, buckets, and consignment equipment on our website at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.